great potential. We just started drilling in the northern tip, and it was excellent results. So over 30 meters, 3.3 grams per ton of gold. So we are very excited about it.
Hello and welcome to the Assay TV. Today I am here at One-to-One Mining Investment Dubai, and I have Kari Vyhtinen, CEO of Endomines. So Kari, it's great to be able to catch up.
Yeah, thanks Amy, great to be here.
And so let's just kick off. Can you give us a brief introduction to Endomines and yourself, your background?
Yeah, Kari Vyhtinen, CEO of Endomines, and I have been with the company now almost 4 years. So my background is very much in mining in Australia and in Finland. But Endomines is listed in NASDAQ Helsinki. The market cap is approximately 300 million, and we are gold mining and exploration company. So we operate mainly in eastern Finland in a Karelian gold line, and yes, okay. So gold production and exploration, and then we have some assets also in the USA, but those are not in our focus area right now.
Okay, and so can you give us an introduction to your key projects, your flagship project?
Yes, we are producing gold, so we have a production facility where we have the guidance this year is 16 to 22,000 ounces. And then we aim to increase it to closer to 100,000 around 2030, and then beyond that afterwards. And the exploration activities, they have been very successful. So last 2 years we have increased the resource base to 500,000. It was 200,000, so it has been increased to 500,000, and we have a clear roadmap to 1.5 to 2 million ounces of gold resource in the next few years.
Okay, excellent. And so you just released some new drill results from the Ukko deposit with gold potential that in previously unexplored zones. Can you talk about some of these results and really what it means for that deposit?
Yes, it's exciting times. We are permitting this area that we call Southern Gold Line, and that will increase the production to closer to 100,000 ounces. And there we have also this Ukko deposit, and it's a banded iron formation type of deposit, the first in Finland ever. And what makes it unique is the fact that the gold is associated with iron. And now we see from the magnetic and electromagnetic maps that the iron formation is absolutely huge. It's 7 to 8 kilometers long, and it has these two kind of different sections. So great potential. We just started drilling in the northern tip, and it was excellent results. So over 30 meters, 3.3 grams per ton of gold. So we are very excited about it, and now we are just exploring if the gold is associated also in the other areas of the iron formation.
Okay, excellent. And so if you do find that there is that gold kind of throughout, what does it mean for the kind of long-term growth strategy?
I think it means that we have to consider if we scale up the plants because it's the formation is just so big, and it's if it's associated, there are a lot of examples in the world, in Canada and Australia, for example, where these kind of deposits really have a great potential in size.
Okay, excellent. And so the company just reported a 14.5% increase in gold production for the period from January to September of this year. Can you talk about kind of what drove that growth?
Yeah, we are in a lucky position in a way that we have permits, and also the existing production facility, it has free capacity, so we can increase the production, and we have been steadily increasing the production from the mine. And yeah, so from 22 to 24, the production was increased by 66%, and now this year 14.5. So it's going according to the plan. So
absolutely. And I mean, you do have kind of this updated strategy for the next couple of years. which is targeting like a 500 to 700% increase in gold production leading up to 2030. So can you talk about kind of the key, what's going to drive that sort of growth?
We are permitting this Southern Gold Line, where also this Ukko deposit is located. And we started to do the permitting in January 24. So we have done it now 2 years, so almost 2 years. And we estimate to get the permit in 28 and then start the production around 2030. We have permitted 4 mines in the area, so we know exactly how it's done. And we have been operating over 10 years. So the people trust us, and we have been doing things in the right way. So also the authorities, they trust us. So we are very confident about the schedule. And when that's permitted, then immediately after that, building and commissioning and lifting the production to the new level. But that's not the end. Like that, after that, we will take the next areas into production to increase it further, as there is a lot of potential.
Okay, excellent. And so, and in addition to gold, there are plans to initiate tungsten and molybdenum production around 2030 as well. So can you talk about kind of the plans for this and how these critical minerals fit with the company's long-term vision?
They are very important. Even business-wise, we are talking about maybe 20-30% of the revenue. So it's a lot less than gold. But it's still important. We see it important as for Finland and for Europe to have security on tungsten. And there has been a lot of interest on the tungsten side, and it really has the potential to become a significant source of tungsten globally. Currently, 80% of the global tungsten is controlled by China. So it's very important that we also get some supply from Finland for Europe.
Absolutely. I think there's, a global push to secure these key critical minerals. So it's nice to hear that Finland is kind of working towards that same goal as well. And so, just to wrap it up, what can we be on the lookout for from Endomines in the coming year?
Well, there is a lot to look for, but we have a lot of exploration activities. We just doubled the exploration activities, so we are currently drilling 4,000 to 5,000 meters per month, and next year the plan is to drill 50,000 to 60,000 in total. So there will be releases almost every month, and the next one will be the latest results from Ukko, and then we also have some activities going on in the Northern Gold Line. Didn't discuss about it so much here, but there is a very potential deposit there. So we will release also latest results from the north late December, early January. So exciting times ahead.
Absolutely. Definitely a lot to be on the lookout for. So Kari, I want to thank you for joining us here at 121 Dubai and on the Assay.
Thank you.
Thanks.